ain't she sweet when she's walking down the street? Well, I asked you very confidentially, ain't she sweet? Oh, ain't she nice? Well, look at her once or twice, and I asked you very confidentially, ain't she sweet?
Hello guys, good morning. Hello people, good morning and happy new year. This is going to be a locking. Oh, it's fine. How many minutes?
40 minutes.
Oh, okay. So, happy new year and welcome to new year 2024. I'm so freaking excited about everything. I have a new plan, like new goals, everything attached and put into the place. So yeah, I'm currently shaking right now because I was doing a lot of work. Yeah, I'm crusty right now because I haven't even bathed yet, and I just came back day before yesterday. I was so freaking tired. There were too many travels, and once I got here, I kind of got like this travel fatigue, you could say. It is so random that I thought I was gonna die. It was that bad. It's random and bad, and I had this headache. I couldn't get it off. My hair was a mess after all of the traveling, styling, and being in like different waters. My skin is a mess, all of it. And not only my skin and my hair, my whole area is a mess. Like my room, my area, like my work area, everything is a mess. I think none of our roommates were here for like 2 weeks straight, and that kind of blew up to be a resting period for all of the cleaner guys. They didn't came, they didn't clean at all, nothing happened. Like, look at this. I mean, come on. I have all of the shit like everywhere. I don't have any place to put it. Like, everything is everywhere. Not only that, my room is also bad, but my roommate is currently bathing, so we'll go there after we are done with here. So first, it's going to be kitchen. In the kitchen, we have the following things to do. Yes, I'm making a list about everything. One, take out all of the things in my racks, clean the racks, and put it back. Kind of like that. And check if there is any expiry date. Remove the expiry food, masalas, anything that I have. Third, food prep. Make sure I have like all of the food prep and everything is kind of ready to go. I don't have to spend like a lot of time, cutting things, like keeping things like that. 4, clean the vessels and all of the countertops and put everything in its order. These 4 things are what we're gonna do. So without any further ado, let's just get there and start cleaning. Because honey, we have a lot of things to do there, you know. Guys, it seems that somebody used my stuff because I didn't put this in the front. I also didn't put this in that rack. I'm not going to buy extra pairs just because of the future use. From now on, I'm just going to buy things when I'm already completely done of it. I've decided that. And I want to show you a product. This is kind of like a holy grail for me in my laundry business. That is the Surf Excel Smart Spray. It's called the Surf Excel Smart Spray. Like you have like the tough stains, like makeup stains, period stains, all of that. This is the thing. I usually wear like 2 to 3 outfits when I'm filming my makeup videos, but usually what happens is I do not get like that much of makeup on my clothes, but on my collar it's a whole other different area. And I started buying a lot of like white clothes, cream beige color clothes, so I was like kind of worried about everything, and I really didn't want to make them dirty, so I started using this. This is like a lifesaver for me. Like whenever I'm doing my laundry, I'll just see if there is like any stains, or when I'm putting it in my laundry basket, I will see if there is any stains. If there is any stains, I'll just use this, rub it, throw it in the wash, it will be good as new. So this is kind of like my laundry slash my cooker. That is actually a real cooker, by the way, and that cooker doesn't have an induction one like the induction stove one, so I have to pack it up and put it out there. So those are kind of like a little bit of itty bitty things, and every time it's kind of like here I have another one. The top drawer is completely for like empty boxes, ice cream boxes, like I like to reuse them a lot. And I also have a lot of like empty boxes here. I'm gonna put everything over there and just only keep like things that I really wanna use outside, because as you can see this is a shared kitchen and I really don't wanna make a mess out of it. So I'm going to count the cups and the top lids, put everything in its place and then put it up. Not too many, by the way. And this year I'm also kind of getting a lot of like health conscious and trying to reduce weight. Last year I reduced around 10 kgs. So I'm doing like a yearly weight check review. I do not want to lose my weight within like 3 months or 6 months, because one thing is I don't reduce weight that easily. Even when I put a lot of effort in it, it will come like gradually. Like usually my progress is always gradually. So I wanted to take this as slow as possible so that I can be in shape for a long time. So caps. You can actually buy all of these containers in like a Zepto or Blinkit, Swiggy, Instamart, anywhere. And this particular butterfly cutter has been a lifesaver for me. It has been doing its work and making me very happy about it. Throw this away. I use these ones. This one is for milk. Hello. This one is for milk. And these are for like leftovers. Whenever I want to eat them, I'm just going to put it, pop it in the fridge, have it. All of them, once again. You can find it on Zepto. It seems like nobody cleaned the kitchen yet. Everything is dusty and dirty. But here I will come for video now. I'm going to take 0 stars in front of this place. Then we will get to this. Whose clothes are those in the washing machine? I did my laundry yesterday, and guess what? I have another load of laundry. fridge is clean. Now let's look at this. I usually use these for like my cuttings, all of that. So I'm gonna keep only this one outside. And if everything is out of control and I do not have like enough space, then I'm gonna take the white bowls. I'm gonna use only this right now so that you know. So I'm gonna use these three as my everyday washing, putting things in there, eating those bowls, and those ones for storage, cuts, all of that in there. Gone. I have a lot of them. Then this one. And these are going inside. Classic mistake. One thing I do not understand is one of my wine glasses missing. God damn it, I can't have nice things in a shared room. Why don't you realize it on the top? Shit. So I have these three. I'm gonna put everything to a side. Then I have like one standard one for batter, if I want to make chapati for that. Oh fuck. So these are all like my things that I want to use in a daily, day-to-day basis. So I'm keeping all of them outside. And my handy dandy pot and pan. Is my another saucepan. Okay, now that that is gone, we need to wrap up things. Before that, here. This lady over here, we need to figure out the situation. Actually, it is pretty clean because I made sure like no harm to be there. Like I clean like every month, so you know how it goes. So right now I'm just arranging them in order that I can see every single thing. Nice. That is done. Now this one. I don't know where the cap for this one is. First, I'm gonna take my utensils now. Let me take the knives first. I don't want to cut myself. See, somebody used it and put it just like that in my drawer. And they say, why I get frustrated? Another knife. Way too many knives. There. This is pudding powder. I do bake sometimes. Okay, this one is expired. It says packaging is 15/10/2022 and now it's almost 2024. It says just before 12 months for manufacturing. Okay, this is going up. In everybody's drawer there's this one thing, like one fuck. got some cleaning supplies. I actually saw this at my friend's house and it was so freaking good. Like this one, you can wipe any of the surfaces and you can just squeeze it and everything will come off. And I got missed muscle. Okay guys, so the kitchen cleaning is done. I also thrown out all of my waste like food and everything outside, expiry things outside. I just need to wash them. But currently the guy who's gonna clean everything, he's here right now, so Actually, I called them because everything was like so dirty, and I couldn't even function. Like, my OCD is like, nah, this is not happening. So I called him and told him like to sweep everything and mop everything. So he's currently doing that. I'm just going to, of course, I'm going to sweep another time once he's done. Meanwhile, let me just finish off cleaning this. Then we'll go to room. There we'll clean everything else. Hey guys, today is the next day. I finished off cleaning everything and put everything, don't worry about that. Put everything in an order, and once that is done, I was off to doing my own work. And from today onwards, I was filming. I need to do like a mini transformation or glow up video for myself because my skin, hair, and nails, they are rusty. So too much sunlight. I feel like I became a plant. Photosynthesis is what I need the most.
That's night shell.
Yeah, guys, that's it for the first year of the vlog. I know it is kind of like random here and there, but I'm trying to take care of a few more vlogs in between and also work. So I'm a little exhausted. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys with my next one. Until then, stay safe, be healthy, be happy, and keep smiling. You look cute when you smile, Bye.